welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful pink and purple Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. For this makeup look, we're going to be using the A Trance eyeshadow palette by ColourPop, one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. For the first step, we're going to be using this beautiful purple that you see here. It's called Own Your Power, and we're going to be using a small, rounded, fluffy brush to apply this to the outer third of our lids. Here, you see me using the back part of my Falsies Eyelashes case. Essentially, it's just like cardstock paper because I couldn't find any. You can use a note card, you could use a piece of paper if you fold it into like 3 just to make it a bit thicker. Whatever you want to use. I just hold it underneath the eye to catch any fallout should there be any, especially because I do my eyeshadow after I've already applied my foundation. For the second step, we're going to be applying this beautiful pink called Daydream Baby. We're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this to the middle third of the eyelid. Just want to quickly jump in here and say welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Please, if you have any questions on the product, the eyeshadow palette, any looks that you want me to try out, or other products that have to do with foundation, contour highlight, etc., anything to do with beauty and makeup, please do not hesitate to comment that down below and right below the description section, and I'll be sure to respond. Next step, we cannot skip this step, is to blend. So I'm going to take the same small fluffy brush that I used to apply Own Your Power, and now I'm going to blend both of those colors together. Own Your Power and Daydream Baby. For the last step, we're going to be applying this beautiful white that has soft purple and pink in it. You'll see here when I apply it on, it's called Clarity. And we're going to be using another small flat brush to apply this to the inner corner, and the last third of the eyelid. For the last step, we're going to be applying all of the same colors that we did on the top onto our lower lash line. So the lower lash line will match the top. So as you see, I pulled down Clarity now onto the lower lash line using the same small flat brush, but this time I'm using the tip of the brush. For Daydream Baby, I'm also using a small flat brush, the same brush that I used, and again the tip of the brush. For Own Your Power, I am using my small round brush. I just use the tip part, like one corner, I guess you could say, of a small rounded brush. If that is too difficult for you, please just grab another small flat brush. Again, tip of the brush to apply this right onto the lower lash line. And I usually connect the lower lash line to the top part of the lid. So this is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope you also loved this look. Please do not forget to comment down below any questions you may have on the product, makeup looks, or other looks you want me to try out. Please do not forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, I will see you guys next time. Bye.